Leaving your footprints. When you are on a journey, it is always unknown by the sheer nature of it. It has unpredictable elements. You know certain things about the journey, and certain things are unknown. If you're able to move along and make safe strides, you feel more and more confident and feel like you're getting somewhere. You do not know certain things about the journey and make best guess decisions based on your own wisdom and some gain from others. You may fail or succeed, you are taking chances, you feel lucky or unlucky, the journey continues. Stopping now and then and putting together your experience about the journey can be milestones for others. You do not owe it to anyone in particular, but making a navigation chart is always helpful for others. By being the pioneer in the journey, you have cherished the excitement. Do not deprive others of that excitement by making a complete map to arrive, but leave your footprints to follow. Yes, leave your footprints to follow.